In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3 integration, exercise 3.4, question number 1, part 8. And question we have integral of x square sine x into dx. See, this exercise we have to solve by parts. So here we have to use the formula. I will write down for you, which is equal to integral of u into v dx equal to u, and then the integration of the second function minus double integral of v dx d sorry this is d by dx, means derivative of the first function dx. This formula we have to use, but from here we have to decide which one should we take as a first function, which is u, and which one should we take as a second function. So see, if there is one trigonometric function, sine of x is the trigonometric function, x square is the algebraic function. So algebraic function you have to take as a first function, which is u. It means you have to take the derivative of u, and v trigonometric function you have to consider as a v, means we have to do the integration of the trigonometric function. If it is the inverse trigonometric function, then you have to take u, right? I will show you in the next question, but here again one more time, if one is the algebraic function, you have to take as a u. If one is the trigonometric function, then you have to consider as a v. So wherever in this formula is u, you have to put x square. Wherever is v, you have to put sine of x, right? So we will start here. First is u, it means we have to take the derivative, so it is x square. Then this integral v dx, which is sine x, minus double integral, same thing, sine of x, here is dx as well, and this d by derivative of the first function, which is u, and we have x square dx. Now see, x square will remain the same. The integration of sine of x equal to minus cos x, minus this one integral, and for this sine of x it will be minus cos x, multiply by derivative, so this power will become the coefficient and one power will decrease, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 dx. In next step we will take minus. Here we will arrange it, this minus minus is plus, but this 2 is constant, so we can write down 2 integral of cos x into x dx. Now see, again it is the product. This is the trigonometric function and this is the algebraic function, so we have to use this formula again here. I will do here minus x square cos x plus 2. Right from here, x is u, and then cos x we will consider as a second function, which is v double integral cos of x dx, derivative of the first function, which is x into dx. So it will be equal to minus x square cos of x will remains the same. We will multiply with this 2, the next step. So here x and cos x integration is sine x minus same thing, cos x, which is equal to sine of x, and derivative of this x is 1 dx, right? So in the next step we will write down is equal to minus x square cos of x will remains the same, plus here x into sine x, right? Okay, we will write down x into sine x, and then minus again cos x plus c. So it will be equal to minus x square cos of x plus 2x sine x, and this is minus minus plus, so 2 cos of x plus c. Why this minus cos of x? So see, this is the integration of sine x is equal to, in the integration is minus cos x, so minus cos x minus minus plus and constant of integration, and this is your answer. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.